Beyond our planet, hidden worlds of ice and rock hold some of the solar system's biggest secrets. On Jupiter's moon Europa, an ocean with more water than all of Earth's combined sloshes beneath a thick shell of ice. It's kept liquid not by the sun, but by the constant gravitational squeezing from Jupiter, generating heat from the inside out. With water, an energy source, and organic molecules detected in plumes, Europa has the essential ingredients for life. Then there's Saturn's moon, Titan, a world shrouded in a thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere. On its surface, it's minus 179 degrees Celsius. Rivers of liquid methane carve channels into a landscape of hydrocarbon sand dunes and mountains of rock-hard water ice. If life exists here, it would be utterly alien, thriving in a solvent that isn't water. But not all of these small worlds stay so far away. Millions of asteroids, leftovers from the solar system's formation, orbit the sun. Most keep to the asteroid belt, a region so vast the average distance between them is over 700,000 kilometers. But some have orbits that cross Earth's path. We call them near-Earth objects. We know the danger they pose. 66 million years ago, a 10-kilometer asteroid struck the Yucatan Peninsula, ending the reign of the dinosaurs. For the first time in history, however, we are no longer helpless. In 2022, NASA's DART mission deliberately crashed a spacecraft into a small asteroid named Dimorphos. The impact successfully altered its orbit, a tiny nudge on a cosmic scale, but a monumental proof of concept for humanity. We proved that we can defend ourselves. We are the first species on Earth capable of preventing the one natural disaster that we can see coming.